Join me as I challenge myself to sound like a stock market pro for a whole day. Let's see if I can master the lingo and impress some real investors. To sound like a stock market pro, you need to have a solid grasp on the basics, but it's not just about memorizing terms, it's about understanding the concepts and having the confidence to apply them. Imagine being able to discuss market trends and stocks with ease, without getting lost in the jargon. That's what we're aiming for here. Beginners often struggle with the overload of information and the fear of making wrong decisions. The stock market can be overwhelming, especially with all the technical terms and complex analysis. I mean, have you ever felt like everyone around you is speaking a different language when they're discussing stocks and trading? It can be intimidating, to say the least. Misinformation is another major hurdle. There's so much noise out there, from social media to news headlines, that it's hard to separate fact from fiction. And then there's the fear of losses. No one likes to lose money, and the possibility of losing can be paralyzing. It's like, you're excited to start investing, but then you hear about someone who lost a fortune, and suddenly you're questioning every move. The jargon itself is a significant barrier. Terms like IPO and ETF can be confusing, and it's hard to keep up with the latest trends and terminology. But here's the thing, once you understand the concepts, it all starts to make sense. You begin to see how the pieces fit together, and you feel more confident in your decisions. Let's break it down. A bull market is when stocks are rising, and a bear market is when they're falling. Simple enough, right? Diversification is key, spreading your investments across different types of assets to minimize risk. And then there are market indicators, like moving averages and RSI, that help you gauge market sentiment. Understanding these terms is essential to making informed investment decisions. Market indicators can be a bit tricky, but they're crucial in helping you make sense of the market. For example, the 50-day moving average can be used to gauge short-term trends, while the 200-day moving average gives you a better sense of the long-term picture. It's not about memorizing these indicators, but about understanding how they work and how to apply them. I've learned that research is crucial. Before making any investment, it's essential to do your homework. Look into the company's financials, understand their business model, and stay up to date on market news. It's not about having all the answers, it's about being informed and making educated decisions. Emotional control is another critical aspect. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a rising market or the panic of a falling one. But successful investors remain calm and focused, making rational decisions based on their strategy. It's like, you're on a roller coaster, but you're the one holding the reins. To recap, sounding like a stock market pro is within reach. You've got to understand the basics, build your vocabulary, and practice making informed decisions. It's not about being perfect, it's about being knowledgeable and confident. If you've got thoughts on stock trading or questions about getting started, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to check out my other videos on financial literacy for more tips and insights.